Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you all how to use Ayuga skincare products along with the correct yoga poses, and I'll also be reviewing the products while I demonstrate them. So I have two products by Ayuga with me. The first one is Ayuga 5% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Wash, and the second product is Ayuga 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Night Gel. I'm sure you guys must have already heard about these products by now because Ayuga is a very popular skincare brand. Their products are very premium and very luxurious, and Ayuga is born out of the deep knowledge of 5,000 years of Ayurveda and yoga, and all of Ayuga's products as well as their yoga rituals are developed by the guidance of India's leading yoga and Ayurvedic experts. Also, all of Ayuga's products are licensed by Ayush Ministry and they are made up of USDA organic certified ingredients. They are all PETA certified as cruelty free and they are certified toxin free by Made Safe. Also on the packaging they mention the exact Ayurvedic text from which the recipe has been taken. So here you can see Astanga Hridayam, and they also honestly disclose the classical Ayurvedic formulation of ingredients. For example, this night gel contains 10% of Kumkumadi oil. So that was a little info about the brand Ayuga. Now let me move on to the demonstration of these products while doing some facial yoga exercises, and then I'll review these products in detail for you guys. Starting off with the face wash first, this is Ayuga 5% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Wash. Firstly, apply some water on your face to make your skin wet. This is something that you should always do before using a face wash. Moving on to the facial yoga pose, fill your mouth with water and then with the help of your index finger and your middle finger, start applying the face wash in gentle circular motions. While you're applying and massaging the face wash on your face, move the water in your mouth from left to right and continue doing this for at least 20 seconds. Once you're done, just rinse your face with normal water and you'll notice a visible glow on your face, and if you keep doing this every day, it's gonna result in glowing skin and fuller cheeks. The face wash is suitable for all skin types. It has a non-drying formulation, so it's not going to dry out your skin. It's very gentle on the skin, and you can use this twice a day, in the morning as well as in your evening routine. That is how easy it is to use the face wash. Now moving on to the next product, that is Ayuga 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Night Gel. This has a very light gel-like texture, and as you can see, I've already finished so much of it. To apply this night gel, you want to do the balloon yoga pose. So for that, you want to fill your mouth with air. Hold the air tightly for at least 10 seconds and place your index finger on your mouth. After 10 seconds, release the air and then you can move on to applying the night gel. I'm using a pea-sized amount of the night gel, dotting it all over my face and then blending it in circular upward motions. And once the gel is evenly blended all over my face, I'm just pinching my skin a little bit to improve blood circulation. So the combination of the yoga pose, this Ayurvedic gel along with the pinching is all going to result in improved blood flow on the skin, and it's going to ensure adequate absorption of the gel into the skin for maximum benefits of the gel. This is such a lightweight gel, it gets absorbed so fast into the skin, which makes it suitable for all skin types, and you can also use this during all seasons of the year. Even during the summers, this is a very nice night gel. Now let me talk about the ingredients of both of these Ayuga products and what they exactly do for the skin. So these Ayuga products are enriched with 28 precious herbs like saffron, lotus extract, mulethi, sandalwood, etc. Saffron helps to brighten up the skin, it helps to repair sun damage, and it also helps to reduce melanin production, thereby reducing dark spots and any other sort of pigmentation. Lotus extract helps to boost cell regeneration, giving you more younger looking skin. Muleti helps to protect the skin against sun damage, and it also helps to reduce the signs of aging by reducing fine lines, wrinkles and scars. Sandalwood has antiseptic properties and it helps to minimize blemishes, and it helps to reduce inflammation and itching of the skin. So these Ayuga products contain 28 precious herbs like these, which have numerous benefits for the skin, and the combination of these Ayurvedic ingredients along with the yoga poses is going to help to maximize the benefits on your skin, giving you faster and more long lasting results on your skin. So now let me share my experience of using these Ayuga products. I've been using them religiously for the past 10 days. I've been using the face wash twice a day, in the morning as well as in the evening, and the night gel only in my nighttime skincare regime, and this is what my skin looks like. So as you can see, there's a visible glow on my skin and it looks so plump, so healthy and just so good. So this is what a combination of yoga and Ayurveda can do to your skin, and that's why I highly recommend you check out these Ayuga products and use them along with the correct yoga poses so that you can get maximum results. If you want skin like this, if you want clear glowing skin which looks healthy, then you definitely need to check out these products. They're formulated with the help of yoga and Ayurvedic experts, and they are of premium quality. So I highly recommend you check these products out. They're available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can also shop them from Ayuga's website, where if you use my coupon code RIYA20, you'll get a 20% off. Also, you can scan the QR code on the packaging of these Ayuga products to know more about them, and to also know more about the yoga asanas. So that was my video on how to use Ayuga 5% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Wash and Ayuga 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Night Gel. I hope this video was helpful for y'all. If it was, please hit the like button. Also let me know in the comments below which other Ayuga products do you guys want me to review and demonstrate the correct way to use them. I would love to make more videos for y'all. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.